Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Thanksgiving leftover turkey sandwich, so let's get started with the video. We're going to begin by preparing our ingredients. First, cut 1 tomato into slices. Then cut half a red onion into slices as well. When you're finished, set your ingredients to the side. Next, take 1 croissant, I'm using the croissants from Costco, and cut it horizontally almost all the way through. Once you cut the croissant, open it up and then toast it in the oven until the inside is golden brown. Once the croissant has finished toasting in the oven, place it on the cutting board. Then spread mayonnaise on the bottom half of the croissant. Next, add some honey mustard. Then add lettuce, tomato, then season the tomatoes with salt and pepper. Next, add a few sliced red onions, some slices of your leftover turkey. I'm using the smoked turkey from Honey Baked Ham. My family eats it every year on Thanksgiving. A slice of Havarti cheese cut in half, and finally add some cranberry sauce. I'm using the Cranberry Walnut Chutney from Honey Baked Ham. Then close the sandwich. And that's it. Now all you have to do is plate it up. And this is the finished result. I always make this sandwich with the Thanksgiving leftovers and it is so good. It's a simple sandwich, but it's so delicious and the cranberry sauce really sets it off. So if you're wondering what to do with your Thanksgiving leftovers, try making this super awesome turkey sandwich. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!